Welcome back to Auto Drive, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the bold and luxurious exterior of the 2025 BMW X7, a flagship SUV that combines power, prestige, and cutting-edge design. The first thing that grabs your attention is BMW's iconic kidney grille, which is now even more pronounced, framed by a redesigned front bumper. The grille is flanked by BMW's slimmest ever adaptive LED headlights, giving the X7 a sharper, more aggressive stance. These lights don't just look stunning, they enhance visibility and adapt to changing road condition. Moving to the profile, the X7's sheer size and elegance come into full view. With its long wheelbase, muscular lines, and bold character creases, the 2025 X7 projects authority and sophistication. The large, sculpted wheel arches house 23-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels, which not only look incredible but also contribute to better fuel efficiency and handling. The frameless side mirrors feature integrated turn signals and cameras, which are part of the advanced driver assistance system. Even the door handles have been redesigned, sitting flush with the body to enhance aerodynamics and reduce wind noise. Now let's talk about the rear, where BMW has made significant updates. The sleek LED taillights feature a distinctive light signature, seamlessly connected by a chrome strip running across the tailgate. Below that, the dual trapezoidal exhaust outlets are neatly integrated into the rear diffuser, adding a sporty flair to this luxury SUV. The 2025 X7 is available in a stunning palette of colors, including a new shade called Frozen Pure Grey, a matte finish that exudes understated elegance. BM's attention to detail is evident in the finely crafted accents, such as the chrome trim and shadow line options, which allow buyers to customize their vehicle's aesthetic. But the exterior design isn't just about looks, it's also engineered for performance. The aerodynamic shape and active air flaps in the grille reduce drag, improving both speed and efficiency. The X7's lightweight aluminum panels help lower its center of gravity, enhancing stability and control, whether you're cruising on highways or tackling rugged terrains. Let's take a moment to appreciate how far the X7 has come since its debut. BMW has progressively refined the design, balancing elegance with a commanding road presence. The 2025 model represents the pinnacle of this evolution, offering a modern yet timeless design that sets new standards in the luxury SUV segment. In summary, the 2025 BMW X7's exterior is a masterclass in blending form and function. From its striking front fascia to its aerodynamic silhouette, every detail is meticulously crafted to deliver a visually stunning and performance-driven experience. That wraps up our in-depth look at the exterior of the 2025 BMW X7. Stay tuned to Auto Drive for more reviews and insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.